Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I picked one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink. So the website name is filmaffinity.com and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access this website easily. And according to Acharyef, this website having 79 domain rating, and according to Moj, the spam score is only 4%, and according to similar web, this website having 36.6 million total traffic. So you guys can see this website having how much traffic source, and this website getting traffic from Spain, Argentina, Mexico, Colombia, and the Chile. So if you want to drive audience crawlability and the traffic source, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So this is a website dashboard. Simply before they started, I wanted to request you with a simple thing. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand. Okay, yeah. So this is a website dashboard. So there is a register button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys can fill your email ID, then your username, and after that you guys can choose your password, and after that you guys can click to continue button. And this website can ask your nickname or the nickname, so you can choose your company name, your birth, and after that you guys can choose your gender and your city. You can choose which city you are based on, so as suitable REY. Then after that you guys can click for the register button, and you guys can see this website can send you a verification code, so you can check your email ID. Yeah, this is, and you guys have to fill your code, and you can click for the. And you guys can see we have created successfully our account. So after that we can go with a login button, and there you guys can fill your details, and you guys can click to sign in button. And this is your dashboard. So there you guys can see, there you guys can click and go with your personal data option, and there you guys can see there is update my social network and the website. So there you can add your website URL, and if you want to add your social media network, so you can add your social media handles from there now. And after that you can click for the my rating section, so you guys can find your profile landing page URL. So this is your profile landing page URL, and you can see this is our website. I can show you. Yeah, then after that you guys can see this is our website, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, so it's 100% high quality do follow backlink. And after that, okay, so we have created our do follow backlink on that website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.